Hello student, welcome to Ideal Science Academy's YouTube channel. Dear student, we are going to start the lecture series of subject physics, that is first chapter rotational dynamics. Let's get started. So the first point is circular motion. This is the definition of circular motion. The motion of an object along the circumference of circle is called as circular motion. जर का circumference ने एखादा ऑब्जेक्ट मोशन परफॉर्म करत असेल then it is called as circular motion. Examples: motion of earth around the sun. Sun is revolve around the sun in a circular orbit. This is the circular motion. Motion of electron around the nucleus. इलेक्ट्रॉन हा न्यूक्लियसच्या भोवती सर्क्युलर ऑर्बिटमध्ये फिरतो, सो इलेक्ट्रॉनची मोशन ही सुद्धा सर्क्युलर मोशन आहे. मोशन ऑफ कार अलॉंग द कर रोड. जर का कार कर रोडून जात असेल तर कर रोडून जात असताना कार सुद्धा नथिंग बट सर्क्युलर मोशन्स परफॉर्म करत आहे. मोशन ऑफ टिप ऑफ सेकंड आर्म ऑफ द क्लॉक. क्लॉकमधला जो सेकंड आर्म आहे त्या सेकंड आर्मची मोशन सुद्धा सर्क्युलर मोशन आहे. मोशन ऑफ मेरी गो राउंड. मेरी गो राउंडची मोशन ही सुद्धा सर्क्युलर मोशनच आहे. Point UCM and non-UCM. UCM, that is uniform circular motion. The motion of an object along the circumference of circle with constant velocity is called as uniform circular motion. याच्यामध्ये constant velocity हा word at most important आहे. Uniform circular motions, that is constant velocity. The motion of an object along a circumference of circle with constant velocity is called as uniform circular motion. Motion of car around the motion of earth around the sun. Motion of moon around the earth. Motion of electron around the nucleus, and motion of second arm of the clock. These four are the examples of uniform circular motion. Non-uniform circular motion, the motion of an object along the circumference of circle with variable velocity is called as non-UCM. The first example is motion of car along the curved road. Second example is motion of tip of blades of fan. Third example, motion of motorbike in a death well. Fourth example, motion of stone tied to one end of string and drill in vertical circle. एका स्ट्रिंगला स्टोन बांधायचं आहे आणि नंतर त्याला व्हर्टिकल सर्कलमध्ये फिरवायचं आहे. Then it is an example of non-uniform circular motion. So these four are the example of UCM and these are the examples of non-UCM. So next point, radius vector. The vector which drawn from center of circle to the position of particle performing circular motion is called as radius vector. सर्कलच्या सेंटर पासून सर्कमफरन्स पर्यंत जो वेक्टर आपण काढतो, सपोज दिस इज द सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल आणि सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल पासून आपण सर्कमफरन्स पर्यंत हा वेक्टर ड्रॉन केलेला आहे, दॅट वेक्टर्स इज कॉल्ड ॲज रेडियस वेक्टर. रेडियस वेक्टर मीन्स नथिंग बट अ रेडियस स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम सेंटर अँड एंड ऑन द सर्कमफरन्स. Radius vector has equal magnitude that of the radius of circle. Radius vector चा magnitude radius च्या equal असतं. In this figure, 3 vectors are drawn from the center of circle. Those vectors are called as radius vector. तर diagrams मध्ये आपण 3 radius vector drawn केले आहेत at 3 different positions. So next point is angular displacement. Angular displacement. The angle traced by radius vector in given time is called as angular displacement. This is the initial radius vector and this is the final radius vector. Suppose particle सुरुवातीला या पोझिशनवर आहे आणि पार्टिकल नंतर सेकंड पोझिशनवर गेलेला आहे, तर इनिशियल रेडियस वेक्टर आणि फायनल रेडियस वेक्टर यांच्यामध्ये जो अँगल डिस्क्राइब झालेला आहे दॅट अँगल इज कॉल्ड ॲज अँग्युलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट. इट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय थीटा. तर याला आपण थीटाने डिनोट केलेलं आहे. द फॉर्म्युला इज गिवन बाय अँग्युलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज इक्वल टू आर्क लेंथ अपॉन रेडियस, दॅट इज डी थीटा इज इक्वल टू डी एस अपॉन आर. अँग्युलर डिस्प्लेसमेंट मीन्स डी थीटा, आर्क लेंथ मीन्स डी एस and our radius is r. SI unit is radian and CGS unit is also radian. The next point is angular velocity. The rate of change of angular displacement with respect to time is called as angular velocity. Means angular velocities depend on angular displacement, because see the definition, the rate of change of angular displacement with respect to time is called as angular velocity. It is a vector quantity. It is denoted by omega. Formula: the formula of angular velocity is change in angular displacement upon time. So change in angular displacement, that is d theta, and the short interval of time, that is dt. So omega is equal to d theta upon dt. This is the formula of angular velocity. This is the basic formula of angular velocity. There are a lot of formulas. We will see in our next expressions. आपल्या नेक्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये आपण ओमेगाचे डिफरंट फॉर्म्स बघणार आहोत. SI युनिट रेडियन पर सेकंड and CGS unit radian per second, because angular displacements unit is radian and times unit is second. So angular velocity is SI unit is radian per second, CGS unit is radian per second. So what will be dimension? The dimension is m0 l0 t minus 1. t minus 1 because time हा denominator मध्ये. Angular acceleration. The rate of change of angular velocity with respect to time is called as angular acceleration. Means angular acceleration is depend on angular velocity. Angular velocity is depend on angular displacement. These three are depending on each other. Angular acceleration's definition is the rate of change of angular velocity with respect to time is called as angular acceleration. It is a vector quantity. It is denoted by alpha. Formula of angular acceleration is change in angular velocity upon time. That is alpha is equal to d omega upon dt. That is d omega is stand for change in angular velocity, rate of change of angular velocity, and dt is the rate of change of time. This is the instantaneous angular acceleration. So next formula is alpha is equal to omega 2 minus omega 1 upon t. Omega 2 final angular velocity, omega 1 initial angular velocity. Omega 2 minus omega 1 means change in angular velocity, and time t is represented by letter t. SI unit radian per second square and CGS unit is also radian per second square. So what will be dimension? The unit is radian per second square. We can create the dimension from the SI unit. What will be dimensions? m0 l0 t minus 2, because second square is at denominator. So dimension is m0 l0 t minus 2. Radian is have no dimensions. So this is the dimension of angular acceleration. So student, these are the basic points of this chapter we have covered in this video. Next point we will cover in our next video. So thank you.